Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's session of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India, date September 12, 2023. Disclaimer: registration granted by SEBI, membership of Basel, and certification from NISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investment security markets are subject to market risk and read all the related documents carefully before investing. So, without taking your much time, I'll start with Nifty 50 chart analysis. Yesterday was a very historic session for Nifty as Nifty was able to scale the mount 20,000, and with that we came back to a confirmed up as the previous highs of 19,991 was reclaimed, and we back to a confirmed uptrend. So it's been a good recovery for Nifty. Good once Nifty had came under selling pressure. It breached its 21 DMA, 50 DMA. Now it's back above the key moving averages and above uh, the 20,000 mark as well. And if you look at the broader markets, even the broader market performance have been very, very good. Your the Nifty mid cap, small cap, all are making new highs each and every day. Even most of the sectors, barring certain sectors such as your FMCG and energy, are trading well above the 50 DMA and the 200 DMA as well. So overall, all and even on the macro front, things like the G20 meetings have been going very well for India, and it looks like a very broad-based rally at the moment for Nifty. But let's not decode stories. And as we are in confirmed uptrend, so tracking of distribution day becomes really important. As status was changed from uptrend under pressure to confirmed uptrend, so the current distribution day count is 0. Going forward, if I mean if things don't play out, well, and the distribution day count increases and market status and even key moving averages get breached, again, markets may go to an uptrend under pressure and from there to a downtrend as well. Key news: ICICI Bank gets approval for reappointment of Sandeep Bhakshi as management director and CEO from 4th October till 3rd October 2026. Power Grid to establish the interstate transmission system project for evacuation of power from REZ in Rajasthan, 20 gigawatts. The project is built on own operate and transfer basis. Indian government collects rupees 2642 crores in dividends from IOC and BPCL. TVS Motor reappointed KN Radhakrishnan as director and CEO effective 23rd October. Talking about the global market update, the rally in the US markets continued and all the three indices closed higher. Dow Jones closed higher by 0.3%, S&P 500 by 0.7%, and Nasdaq Composite by 1.1%. Even Asian markets, barring your KOSPI, the other two indices were trading flattish to higher. KOSPI was trading lower by 0.5%. Shanghai Composite was trading flat, and Nikkei was trading higher by 0.6%. So what is Gift Nifty indicating? Gift Nifty is indicating a higher opening. So yesterday's close was around 19,996, marginally below the 20,000 mark. And just maybe 10 minutes back, 15 minutes back, Nifty was trading about 20,130 mark, which is indicating a higher opening of more than 130, 140 points. And considering the moment in the US markets and certain Asian markets as well, it looks like again a positive day of opening for Nifty, and hope that the gains can sustain. Talking about the chart of the chart of the day for us is Triveni Turbine. Overall, if you look at the chart for Triveni Turbine, it's a stage one double bottom base. It's more like, since the last breakout was not successful, but before that, certain breakout, the last breakouts were pretty much successful. As you can see, this one, this cup with handle base and this cup with handle base, where the stock hits its power to pivot and it moved higher in a very nice pattern. And even before that, you can see a very good prior uptrend as well. It was just about this last base that uh, the stock didn't was not able to move higher. If we talk about this double bottom base, the RS line has started to move higher, and you can see good sign of accumulation on the right side of the base, which is also a good sign. It is just trading marginally below the pivot. Overall, all the ratings for the stock have been good. EPS strength is very good. Buy demand also. Price strength is fair. But as discussed, the RS line is moving higher, so which is a really good sign. No major sign of distribution as well on apart from 1 day on the left hand side of the base. So overall, it's a good setup. The interesting thing for this stock is that the continued interest of the institutional investors. You can see number of fund or the fund holding for the stock has increased more than 26% for the past quarter, which is a really good sign. The ROE or the return on equity, which is again a major parameter to be tracked on the fundamental front for last year, that is FY23, is 23%, which is a really good sign. Last three results, have been very good. You can see EPS have grown in double digits, and even the sales have grown in higher double digits, which is a really good sign. So if the stock breaks out on above average volume, as the stock is very close to the pivot, if it breaks out on above average volume and even the market sustains, then overall the business story, the fundamentals and the technicals are pretty much aligned for the stock. If the stock breaks out, it can be a really good stock to watch out for. So, thank you, and that's it from my side. And stay tuned to the space of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday at 8:45 a.m. sharp. Thank you.